Hey guys, and welcome back to Mind Your Plate. Today I have something very refreshing, hydrating, and super simple to reset your body. This celery cucumber juice is about to be your new best friend. It's simple, affordable, and very powerful. Today I'm only using 2 cucumbers, 3 stalks of celery. I'll be using half a lemon and 1 green apple. But if you like, you can add a piece of ginger for, that little kick. But today, keeping it simple. First, I rinse all my ingredients under running water to wash off visible dirt or debris, especially the celery. It carries a lot of debris. And then I take a large bowl. Just gonna cut off the ends that I'm not gonna be juicing. I add my water, add the vinegar, and we're gonna soak it for about 5 to 10 minutes. This will help remove the residue, bacteria, or anything that's hiding on the surface. After soaking, give everything one more good rinse under clean water. Now, when I'm using a juicer, I like to start with cucumber. They're rich in water and they help push everything through smoothly. Next is the celery stalks, then the green apples. And if you don't have a juicer, just blend everything with a little bit of water, then strain with fine mesh, or if you have a cheesecloth or the nut milk bag. And last is our lemon. It's gonna brighten everything up as well as cleanse my juicer. Look at this vibrant green color, like, liquid green gold hitting the glass. This is how you pour life back into your body. As far as the taste, it's light, crisp, and super refreshing. The cucumber keeps it smooth and hydrating. The celery, it gives the earthiness taste. The green apple, it adds just enough sweetness. And the lemon, it just brightens everything up. So this juice, it's perfectly balanced. It's not too sweet, it's not too tart. This is this is something that will be really nice for somebody that's a beginner in juicing. Now, let's talk about why this juice is worth making, right? We have the cucumbers, which are pretty much 90% of water. They are gonna serve as your hydration boost, as well as helping digestion, help with bloating, as well as keep things moving. Then we have the celery. Celery, they are rich in potassium and the plant compounds that may help support healthy blood pressure levels. The juice itself is a natural detox. It supports the normal function of the liver and flushing excess fluids. It's also rich in antioxidants that help fight inflammation and the oxidative stress. So if you're feeling sluggish, bloated, or just heavy, this is a gentle way to reset. As far as the nutritional value, you get about, per serving, you get about 60 calories, 12 grams of carbohydrate, 2 grams of protein, 2 grams of fiber, no fat, and 7 grams of sugar. The best time to consume this is first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Give your body about 20 to 30 minutes before eating anything so your body can absorb all the nutrients. You can drink this 3 to 4 times a week or even daily for a short period if your body can tolerate it. And of course, if you have kidney issues or you're on blood pressure medication, you might want to talk to your provider before you're consuming it on a daily basis. And that's because of celery. It's high in potassium and that can affect your blood pressure levels. For me, Green juice like this one, they help me feel less bloated and more energized in the morning. And I'm not reaching out for a snack as much. If you try this celery cucumber juice, let me know. And how did you like it? And were you team ginger? Did you add ginger to it or you left it out? Let me know. And until next time, mind your plate and what's in your cup. Bye. Eat well, live mindful, and mind your plate.